I'll do the introduction, alright? No, I will do it. Listen to me. Now, stay next to me, but don't be afraid. For once, be a man. I am a man. Anyway, ready? Come on, what you doing?
Hello guys, and welcome to unboxmuse.
Hey.
I am unboxmuse guy, and this is my Twinny. We are the newest unboxing YouTube channel. We bring you the latest technology. Now, before I give you the latest news, I bring you the newest technology. It's your turn, little bro.
Thank you. Wow, this is one of the best introductions you have done. Like, oh, hello? Anyone? No? Anyway, so guys, I have been waiting for this product for months, and I so wanted to test it for you and feel if it's like believable, true, can be done, you can hear. I mean, this music lens is a bone conduction glasses, I don't know. So the meaning of it is you put the sunglasses and you don't have anything in the ear and you can listen to music. And for this one you can listen to radio and you can answer your phone calls. Music, radio, phone. So this is the music lens has 3 different models. You have the modern which has 2 colors, the black and the pink, and you have the Vogue, which the one that I have in front of me, black color only, and the last one is the Geek. I like the name, the Geek, which is very stylish. So on this side you have the QR for the application because it has its own application. Then you have different type of touch control, FM radio. You can answer the phone calls. Then the Bluetooth connection. It has the 5.0 Bluetooth speed. Some details. The FM seems like the button under it is right here. The FM and Bluetooth activation, on off for the power. Bone conduction, which are on both sides. Let's move it on the side here. So you have the cable, lightning, accessories. All right. Oh, this is to clean the lenses. Wow, this is the box. This is a box for the lenses. Wow, very nice. Wow, music lens, the logo here, so soft. It's leather, very nice. It seems like very strong. All you have to do is to put the sunglasses as normal sunglasses. Let's say you're walking on a beach, sunny day, you have some friends, you can still hear them and at the same time you can listen to music. This is why this product, I love it and I will use it. Definitely I will use it. With the on-off button, press once and music plays. To pause it, you press again. Now, on the FM and Bluetooth button, you have 3 levels of volume. You have low, medium, and very high. To select one of them, all you have to do is to play the music. All right, let me show you. And then you press 2 times, goes higher, and the highest one, this is the highest one. Now guys, are you listening to it? And yes, in fact, here and here on both sides, you have small speakers. So this... Are you fucking serious? Are you kidding me? Oh my What's God. wrong with you? Can wake up someone like this way. You can't sleep too while we are unboxing, doing a video. Alright. He's weirdo. This is why this product was so interesting for me, because and it's about bone conduction. What is exactly bone conduction? Is it fake or real bone conduction? For me, I have done one experience on myself. It's so simple. All you have to do is to take it, play the music, all right, and just press, because I have a small head, so it doesn't completely touch my bones. All you have to do is to press it, and now you're hearing by bone conduction with some speakers. Now there is two websites. All right, so the first website is hearingsoul.com. It says it's working on bone conduction headphone. We can hear all type of sound or noises from both way, ear and bone. Most sound are heard by our eardrums. The eardrums changes over the sound waves to vibrations and transmits them to the cochlear or internal ear. So eardrums, problemo. So bone conduction goes behind it to the cochlear, which is soon in the USA. Anyway, so the second website is hearinglink.org. What it says, how does bone conduction hearing device work? The bone conduction hearing device has two parts, an external part, the processor, and a surgically implemented fixture placed in the bone behind the ear. Medical bone conduction devices. One device is placed in the back of the ear, which receive all the sound coming from outside, music, people talking, anything, and it goes to the, let's say, the implemented, you need a surgery to do this, to place it inside of the skin, and this go behind the eardrums so the person can hear sound. Now this device is medical, and it costs around $8,000. This one costs around $100. So it's totally different. If you like this video, like it. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe right now. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. If you have any comment now. Thank you for watching. We will see you. Before we go, you know, I have something special for them.
Oh, really?
You know, when we were kids, we did karate. Huh? Yeah, well, I have been the one doing karate, in fact. Anyway, so you see the wooden board next to you?
Yes.
Bring it. All right. Now, put it just in front of you, like this. Yeah, perfect. Now don't move. Now, whatever happened, just don't move. Okay. Ready, guys? Oh, come on. Oh, you man, they're watching you. Oh.